Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing ranges and variables so the procedure runs reliably. Declare range objects for the lookup and return columns, plus a variant for the lookup value. This prevents type mismatches. Next, assign those ranges using set and capture the lookup value from a cell or parameter. Once done, include basic error handling and option explicit at the top. This primes VBA to call worksheet function, index and match without runtime type surprises, and gets you straight into the core lookup step. Now perform the actual lookup, call application. Match with lookup value, lookup range, and 0 for an exact match. Store the result as a long, then call application. Worksheet function. Index, passing the return range and the match result to retrieve the corresponding value. If return range has multiple columns, supply the column number or use a two-dimensional index call. Make sure to use application. Match not worksheet function. Match if you expect no match. That avoids unhandled errors and lets you check is error. Finish by assigning the index result to the destination cell or returning it from your function. Ensure you convert types if needed. If match could fail, wrap it with application. Match and check is error before calling index, then provide a fallback value or user message. If things go wrong, print the lookup value, addresses of lookup range and return range, and the raw match output to the immediate window to diagnose offsets or mismatch types quickly. That single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.